RX 9060 XT Blurry Screen Fix and Best Settings, AMD Adrenalin 2026. Hi everyone. So you have got yourself a beast of a graphics card. Like the RX series with 16GB of VRAM. But instead of crystal clear visuals, you are staring at a blurry or washed out screen. It is incredibly frustrating, especially when you know your hardware is capable of so much more. Don't worry though, because usually this is just a software configuration issue. And today we are going to fix it in 3 simple steps. First things first. Let's check your Windows settings. Right-click on your desktop and go to Display Settings. Make sure your display resolution matches your monitor's native resolution exactly. Also look at the Scale and Layout section. If this is set too high, like 150%, it can sometimes cause text and apps to look blurry. Try setting it back to 100% to see if that helps. Now for the most important part. Open up your AMD Software Adrenalin Edition. Go to the Gaming tab, and then select Graphics. Here is the culprit usually. Look for Radeon Super Resolution or RSR. If this is enabled but you are running at native resolution, it can actually blur your image. Try turning this off. Instead, find the feature called Radeon Image Sharpening. Enable this and set the slider to about 80%. This forces the driver to crisp up textures without hitting your performance. Finally, check your in-game settings. If you are using FSR, make sure it is set to quality mode and not performance mode. Performance mode renders the game at a much lower resolution, which causes blur. Follow these steps and your image should be razor sharp. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next one.